Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of phone optimization. If you want to make your phone faster and improve its overall performance, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share some effective tips on how to optimize your phone's processor and memory. Let's get started. Tip number 1, close unnecessary background apps. Closing apps that are running in the background frees up your phone's processor and memory, allowing it to focus on the tasks at hand. Simply swipe up or press the square button to access your recent apps, then swipe left or right to close them. Tip number 2, clear cache regularly. Cache data can accumulate over time and take up valuable space on your phone's memory. Head to your settings, find the storage option, and clear cache for individual apps or all of them at once. Tip number 3, uninstall unused apps. Deleting apps that you no longer use not only frees up storage space, but also reduces the load on your phone's processor. Go to your app drawer, tap and hold on an app, then select uninstall. Tip number 4, update your software. Manufacturers often release software updates that optimize the performance of your phone's processor and memory. Check for updates regularly in your phone's system settings. Tip number 5, reduce animations and transitions. While they may look fancy, animations and transitions can use up precious processing power. In your phone's developer options, reduce the animation scale to its lowest setting or turn them off entirely for a snappier experience. Tip number 6, use lightweight versions of apps. Many popular apps have lightweight or light versions, specifically designed to consume less memory and processor power. Look for these versions on the App Store to improve your phone's performance. Tip number 7, restart your phone regularly. Restarting your device helps clear temporary files and refreshes the system, giving your processor and memory a clean start. Make it a habit to restart your phone at least once a week. And there you have it, folks. By following these simple tips, you can optimize your phone's processor and memory, resulting in a faster and smoother smartphone experience. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.